Welcome to T-Shift Zone, your trusted destination for the latest car stories, future-ready vehicles, and in-depth automotive insights where design, technology, and performance come together in one smooth drive. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra, a sedan that blends modern styling, everyday practicality, and smart innovation for drivers who want comfort, efficiency, and value in a single package. The 2026 Chevrolet Gentra arrives with a refreshed identity that feels more confident and contemporary than ever before. Its exterior design reflects Chevrolet's latest global design language, featuring a wider front grille with a clean mesh pattern, sleek LED headlights that flow seamlessly into the front fascia, and a sculpted hood that adds a subtle sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The side profile is smooth and balanced, with refined character lines that enhance aerodynamics while giving the Gentra a premium look well above its segment. At the rear, modern LED tail lights and a neatly integrated bumper complete a design that feels both elegant and purposeful. Step inside the 2026 Gentra, and the cabin immediately feels more refined and thoughtfully designed. Chevrolet has focused on creating a driver-centric interior that prioritizes comfort and ease of use. Soft-touch materials across the dashboard, improved seat cushioning, and higher quality trims elevate the overall feel. The layout is clean and intuitive, with controls placed exactly where you expect them to be. Whether you are navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Gentra's interior provides a calm and comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. The infotainment system in the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra takes a noticeable step forward. A larger touchscreen display sits at the center of the dashboard, offering sharp graphics and quick response times. Smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes as standard, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, calls, and apps. Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, and steering-mounted controls ensure that drivers stay connected without distraction. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, presenting key driving information clearly and efficiently. Comfort remains one of the Gentra's strongest points. The seats are designed for long journeys, providing ample support and generous legroom for both front and rear passengers. Rear seat comfort has been improved, making the Gentra a practical option for families or daily commuting with colleagues. Climate control ensures a pleasant cabin temperature in all conditions, while improved sound insulation reduces road and engine noise, creating a quieter and more refined driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra focuses on balanced performance and fuel efficiency. It is expected to be powered by a refined petrol engine optimized for smooth power delivery and low emissions. The engine provides enough responsiveness for urban driving while remaining efficient on longer highway trips. Chevrolet's tuning ensures that acceleration feels linear and predictable, making the Gentra easy and enjoyable to drive in everyday situations. Transmission options are designed to deliver smooth gear shifts, further enhancing driving comfort. Fuel efficiency is a key highlight of the 2026 Gentra. Chevrolet has worked to optimize engine performance and vehicle aerodynamics, resulting in improved mileage that appeals to cost-conscious buyers. This makes the Gentra an excellent choice for daily commuting, long-distance travel, and everything in between. Lower fuel consumption not only reduces running costs but also aligns with growing demands for environmentally responsible vehicles. On the road, the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra offers a stable and confident driving experience. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven surfaces effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on less than perfect roads. Steering is light and responsive, making city driving and parking easy, while still offering enough feedback for highway stability. The overall driving dynamics strike a fine balance between comfort and control, which is exactly what most sedan buyers look for. Safety is another area where the 2026 Gentra makes strong improvements. Chevrolet has equipped the sedan with a comprehensive suite of safety features designed to protect occupants and provide peace of mind. Multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and traction control come as standard. Advanced driver assistance features such as rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and lane awareness systems enhance everyday safety, especially in crowded urban environments. Practicality plays a major role in the Gentra's appeal. The trunk offers generous cargo space, making it suitable for groceries, luggage, or daily errands. The rear seats can accommodate passengers comfortably while still leaving enough room for storage. Thoughtful storage compartments throughout the cabin add convenience, allowing drivers to keep personal items organized and within easy reach. From a value perspective, the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra positions itself as a smart and sensible choice in the compact sedan segment. It combines modern styling, updated technology, efficient performance, and strong safety features at a competitive price point. This makes it attractive to first-time car buyers, small families, and anyone looking for a reliable daily driver without unnecessary complexity. In terms of ownership, Chevrolet's reputation for durability and widespread service support adds to the Gentra's long-term appeal. Lower maintenance costs, improved reliability, and accessible spare parts make it a practical option in many global markets. The 2026 Gentra is designed to be a car that fits seamlessly into everyday life, offering reliability you can count on and comfort you'll appreciate every day. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra represents a thoughtful evolution of a familiar nameplate. It doesn't try to be overly aggressive or flashy, instead focusing on what truly matters to everyday drivers: comfort, efficiency, technology, and value. With its refreshed design, improved interior, modern infotainment, and dependable performance, the Gentra stands as a well-rounded sedan ready to meet the demands of modern driving. That's the 2026 Chevrolet Gentra, a sedan that proves simplicity when done